Hello student, I am Snigdha Verma. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 2 of Alien Hand, Bringing Up Kari. This lesson is about a baby elephant whose name is Kari and his master. Kari once saved a life of a boy who was going to drown in the river. How? We will see in this chapter. Let us start. Kari was a baby elephant. He was 5 months old when he was given to his 9 years old friend to be taken care of. They lived and grew up together. Kari's home was a pavilion under a thatched roof resting on thick tree stump. Thatched roof मतलब जो छप्पर होता है. It was resting on thick tree stump मतलब मोटे मोटे लकड़ी के जो ठूंठ थे उस पे रखे गए थे. So it was built in very strong way. Why? So that if Kari moved and touched the poles, it would not fall. वो घूम के अगर टच भी करता है तो वो गिरे नहीं. Kari ate and played with young delicious twigs. Twigs होते हैं जो small टहनियां होती हैं, soft टहनियां होती हैं, उनको twigs बोलते हैं. Every day he needed about 16 kilogram of twigs. Every morning, Kari enjoyed a bath in the river. His friend rubbed sand and water on his back for a long time. His skin shone like ebony on coming out of the river. Ebony is the hard black wood. एक काली रंग की लकड़ी होती है. That is, so when he came out of the river, his skin shone like ebony. After the bath, his friend would lead Kari by the ear and leave him at the edge of the forest. He then went to collect twigs and sapling for Kari. This was not an easy job for collecting tender and delicate twigs, because the author had to climb all kinds of trees and cut them carefully, because if a twig was mutilated, Kari did not touch it. Mutilated, if it is not cut in proper way, then Kari did not touch it. Kari once saved the life of a young boy. His friend was collecting young branches of the banyan tree when he heard Kari calling him. He rushed to the river bank and he saw Kari struggling in the water. First Kari did not find Kari there, but when he went near to the stream, then he saw Kari. There was Kari and he was struggling in the water. When Kari saw his friend, he came in the shore and pushed his friend into the water. There was a boy floating just above the riverbed. The author pulled up the boy, but he could not reach the shore. He was not a good swimmer. Seeing his friend struggling, Kari darted like a hawk and came halfway through the river and stretched out his trunk for the author to catch. Because his master was not a good swimmer, so when Kari felt that his master was not able to come out, then he quickly went halfway into the river and he stretched his trunk for the help of his master. The author failed to catch his trunk and began drowning. But the river was not deep. He sank to the riverbed and then kicked it so hard that he shot up like an arrow. Kari caught them with his trunk and brought them to safety. Kari, like a baby, had to be taught to be good and scolded for his mischievous. As the child, if he was not told anything, then he became more mischief. So as a human child, he has to be trained and he has to be taught. Kari began liking ripe bananas. He began stealing them from the dining room of his friend's house. Nobody understood where the bananas went and they blamed each other for it. The author one day was very surprised to see bananas smashed up in Kari's pavilion. Next day, he was sitting in the dining room when he saw a thing like a snake that came through the window and disappeared with the bananas. Disappeared मतलब गायब हो गया banana के साथ. He got very frightened. He ran out and went to Kari's pavilion. There he saw that Kari was eating bananas. He understood that Kari was the banana thief. He told everyone about this and scolded Kari for his mischief. Kari never repeated this mistake. An elephant accepts punishment for his wrongdoing, but if punished without any reason, he takes his revenge. अगर उसने कुछ गलती की है, then you can punish him. If he had not done any mistake, and if you will punish him, then he will take his revenge. तब वो बदला लेता है उसका. Elephants, like children, need to be taught certain things, like when to sit down and when to walk. To make them sit, they must be pulled by the ear and said dhat. If dhat is told to him and he was pulled by ear, it means it is the command to sit. And to make them walk, pull their trunk forward and say Mali. If Mali is sad and he was pulled by his trunk, it means ki it is the command to walk. Kari learned Mali in 3 lessons, but took 3 weeks to learn Dhat. बैठने वाला कमांड में उसको 3 हफ्ते लगते हैं. चलने वाला कमांड वो 3 दिन में सीख लेता है, बट बैठने वाला कमांड में उसको 3 हफ्ते लगते हैं. Why? Because elephant is very heavy and he is not good at sitting. It is important to teach an elephant to sit down, but it is very important signal to sit down, to teach him to sit down, so that people can climb onto its back into easily. It is not possible to use a ladder every time to climb on the back of an elephant. If you want to climb on his back, he had to be sit down. इसलिए धत उसको सिखाना जरूरी है. अगर वो नहीं सीखेगा धत, if he will not sit down, then nobody can climb on his back and nobody can carry ladder every time. सीढ़ी लेके उसके पीछे पीछे तो कोई चलेगा नहीं. So it is important signal to teach him dhat. The most important thing that an elephant must learn is the master call. There is another important signal, that is the master call. An elephant takes 5 years to learn it. It is a strange combination of hissing and howling sounds which must be made in his ear. Why it is important? Master call. Why master call is important? Because if you get lost in jungle and don't know how to get out, then just give your elephant a master call. After listening the master call, he will pull the trees, frighten away the animals and make a way for you straight to your home. वहां से रास्ता बना देता है, पेड़ को उखाड़ता हुआ आगे. जैसे ही वो सुनेगा मास्टर कॉल, he will come by pulling on the trees and he makes way through the jungle to your home. So the master call is very important command for the elephant to teach. So student, this is in this chapter. If you have any problem, you can ask, and question answer you will get in PDF. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching the video.